Our users are digital artists. And they have very vivid visions in their minds. And those visions include textures and colors and lights and fog and shading. And whatever we can do to accelerate the process of getting those visions out of their minds and into a digital form will help improve the entire process.
The post houses probably work right at the leading edge of what's done with computers today. The need they have for extra power, extra software features, and extra throughput is just intense and amazing.
To be able to produce high-impact games, you need to have more brains on the game.
Developers don't have the best tools. They can't develop games really quickly. They can't preview what the game should look like.
So the problem right now is really cost and performance of the tools that are out there, and obviously the software to actually build the games themselves.
What we're really doing with Indigo2 IMPACT is bringing the price point down, making the 2D type of processes, compositing, paint, special effects, 2D animations, and 3D, all really affordable, all in the same box.
This is more than just an incremental upgrade. It's really a non-linear advance in the processing power that we're putting in the hands of our artists.
This is massive power in a finesse form.
A gigaflop of performance.
Huge numeric capability targeted exactly for doing 3D real-time graphics with high-quality texture processing in parallel to that.
Increased paint speed, they're going to see increased 3D moves.
Along with the capability of graphics and alpha at multiple different resolutions and bit depths.
When SGI set out to build this product, we knew that just making a faster product, bringing that to market, would make all existing applications go faster because of our binary compatibility, but it wouldn't change the way the applications themselves work, not on its own.
You know, our association with the marketplace is pushing our technology to the limit, and it's also giving us all the feedback that we need to create the right product for the market.
We need to work with the developers of those applications to build a new class of applications that will ship concurrently with this machine. Take ideas from visual simulation, from medical imaging, all the high-end excellencies of our company, bring them down to the desktop and get those things woven into applications to just completely change the way things are done.
We've had a long collaborative relationship with Silicon Graphics. It's a lot more than just dumping a piece of hardware in the marketplace and saying, okay, software developers, go out and port your software to it. It's creating a tuned system that's really oriented to the end user and to the end application. I think the artists are going to be blown away when they sit down at this machine and do the kinds of interactive texturing and interactive shading and real-time motion capture with textures and 3D painting in real time with the speed of a real brush.
But the Flint systems are going to be much quicker. You can see in the demo the stabilization routine that we're using, that we can stop the bounce in the movement of the camera. Because they're based on open systems, we can develop the system very quickly without having to re-engineer hardware. We're actually exploiting the power of the hardware to produce rapidly changing feature sets within our systems. It's going to be a quicker system to use, more responsive, better for the creative to sit out and use all day, every day. Our customers benefit enormously from that.
So really everything that needs to be done can be done on these machines now and can begin to displace the typical black boxes that have been there in the past.
When you're building the game, you want to mimic the power of the delivery platform. In the activation software tool with the Impact machine, you're flying the robot as you're developing the robot. That's the difference. In the PC, you can see a static version. On the SGI Impact machine, you can actually, in real time, manipulate the robot and see the high SGI visual quality.
They get to rapidly prototype, to iteratively see not only wireframe models, but now fully textured, content-rich scenes.
It's almost like molding digital clay, applying that digital wallpaper in real time. So what you see is what you get as you're actually building these 3D models.
It lets you crank through what all the different scenarios in the game might look like, including the characters and the objects. And by doing that, you can basically get what your game looks like sooner.
I think they're going to freak out. They're going to freak because they can actually play the game, test the game, and test the logic on, say, kids. Have them play the game right on the SGI machine. Let's see a PC do that.
We have the world's most demanding customers. They want to do the most that computers can do. They want to be the absolute definition of the very edge of technology. That's our average customer now, and so this product is a reflection of that.
In this business, creating the highest quality of imagery is the thing that differentiates one of our customers from the other, and they're all going to want to have this power.
This is exactly what we expect from Silicon Graphics, to take high-end graphics performance, make it available on the desktop, and produce a world-beating price-performance level.
It's differentiated from what other products are, from what the technology seems to be able to do. It's that little extra SGI-ness that makes this product so special.